love to listen to a little music before I get started. Woo! Woo! Music always gets me excited. Again, today we're going over greatest common factors. Now, greatest common factors, that means you need to know your multiplication facts. Again, this is Donovan Smith, your math coach. If there are free worksheets out there on the internet, I truly believe that there should be instructions. And guess who's going to give you the instructions? Okay, real quick, I'm going to go over a few examples. You guys should download this worksheet. If you feel ambitious, get started, move forward. We're practicing right now, so it's all right to make mistakes. All right, and I'm confident. These are some of the basic skills that you guys will need. And pre-algebra, algebra, is just quickly factor numbers. All right, let's jump into it really quick. Let's get my pencil starting. The way I would attack this problem, I look at number one. I have 39. I have 6. I know that there's going to be some factor of 3 in there. So let's kind of break it out. What I will do right here is I would do 39 right here. And then I will probably just list all the factors. I would say 1 and 39. Let me make sure I clear that up. 1 and 39. And then what else would I say? I would probably just look at, I noticed that 2 does not go into here. So I would go like 3. And then 3 times what number will get you there? I would say 13, I believe. Check the math. And just kind of looking at this right here, there's probably no other number in the middle right here. So I'll probably go to the second one right here. And then I will go 1 and 6. And then I will go 2 and 3. You can put a comma here. So if you're looking at this right now, we're looking at the greatest common factor right here. Let me put a circle around it. Would be 3. Would be 3 right here. All right, easy peasy. Let's take a look at examples number 3 right here. And there's some problems down here that has some variables in it, so you guys should be able to solve. I'm gonna go over that. But the only way you're gonna get good at this math right here is through practice, practice, practice. So that's why I'm creating a lot of these free instructions, so you could download these free worksheets that they have on the internet, so you could be successful. Let me get on to number 3, and then I'll probably do 2 more, and then we'll just kind of wrap it up there. Now, if you take a look at this, we have 40 right here. 40 has quite a few factors. So we go 1 and 40, 1 times 40. And then we're going to go, 2 times what? 2 times what number gets you 40? Help me out. I heard someone say 20. You're 100% correct. What else? We'll go at 4 times what? 4 times what? I can't hear you. I heard someone say 10. And we have 5 times what number? 8. And it's really important for you to know these are all the factors that go into 40. Now I will go into 10 right here. I will go 10. And I'll say 1 times 10. And we'll say that's a 10 right here. And then we go 2 times what number? 2 times 5, right? And are there any other factors? No. So your greatest common factor right here would be 10. Easy peasy. So your GCF will be 10. Now let's get to 5 right here, so you guys can kind of look at variables right here. I'm going to pull up a chair so I can focus, and then you guys could kind of help me out. Now, great audience out there. Appreciate it. Now, let me just open this up just a little bit. Give me some more space so I could kind of work on it and get to this. If you feel ambitious, you're ready to get started, download the worksheet. and get started. Now, the same way, I'll take a look at this. There's several things I have to evaluate. I got to evaluate these variables right here. I noticed that I could factor out an n as well as a m on both sides. So the first thing I'll do right here is I would say I do 35 like the way I've been doing it. I have 1 and 35, right? And we cannot use 2, cannot use 3. The next prime will be 5 times what? 7. That's why it's real important for you guys to know your multiplication facts. And now I'll take a look at 21. 21, we have 1 and 21. And then we have 3 and 7, because 3 times 7 is 21. And then I take a look at these things, these variables right here. N squared is just n times n. And here we have m squared, which is just m times m and n. So what I'll do right here, I will factor out an n and I will factor out an m. So therefore, when you take a look at your greatest common factor, which will be 7, So when you write this right here, it will be 7 and m. Some of you may write it 7 m n. Still the same thing. Now, what I really want you guys to do is to get started on this worksheet, download it. The only way you can get better at this is practice. Again, this is Donovan Smith, your math coach in the post Meridian. Thank you.